In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your email notifications in Microsoft Outlook for a more effective and organized experience. Let's dive in and take a closer look at the step-by-step process to achieve this. First things first, open your Microsoft Outlook application. You can do this by clicking on the Outlook icon on your desktop or searching for it in your Start menu. Once you've successfully opened Outlook, we'll move on to the next crucial part of the process. Next, go to the top left corner of your screen and click on the File menu. A drop-down menu will appear, and you'll want to select Options from this list. Clicking on Options will open a new window where you can customize various settings to tailor Outlook to your liking. Once you're in the Options window, look to the left-hand side and click on Mail. This section allows you to adjust email-specific settings that control how you receive and manage incoming messages. Now scroll down a bit until you find the Message Arrival section. You'll notice a few checkboxes here, each corresponding to different notification options. Here's where it gets interesting. To make sure you're alerted whenever a new email arrives, you should check both Play a Sound and Display a Desktop Alert. By checking Play a Sound, you're ensuring that your computer will emit a notification sound whenever a new message lands in your inbox. This is incredibly useful if you tend to be away from your desk but still within earshot of your computer. The Display a Desktop Alert option, on the other hand, triggers a visual pop-up in the corner of your screen. This visual cue is great for when you're engrossed in tasks and need a subtle nudge to remind you of incoming mail. Having both these options activated provides a dual layer of notification, auditory and visual, so you have flexible ways to stay on top of your emails. This can be particularly helpful in a busy workspace or when multitasking, as it minimizes the chances of missing important communications. Once you've chosen these settings, click OK at the bottom of the window to save your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your Outlook email notifications to better suit your organizational needs, making sure you're always in the loop without getting overwhelmed by a flood of emails. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful. Whether you're managing work emails or coordinating with friends, these small adjustments can make a big difference in your daily productivity.